There are 7 simple blog update ideas to refresh your affiliate content. And this involves reviewing old posts to see what information still holds up. Number 1, update your affiliate links to product displays. Number 2 is update your content. Fresh content also boosts your SEO. Number 3 is fix your broken links. You can use a tool like Pretty Links Link Health. Number 4 is optimize images. Use a tool like WordPress Smush. You get faster loading, better SEO, and increase your chance of conversion. Number five is rephrase your call to action buttons. Instead of click here, it could be limited time offer, learn more, or find out how. Number 6 is integrate social media into your blogs by using buttons. And finally, number 7, implement interactive elements like quizzes, polls, and chat boxes. Refreshing your affiliate content with these 7 simple blog update ideas can significantly enhance your blog's performance and profitability. Like and comment or see more at coachhanley.com/AI Mill.